بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. In today's lesson I would like to show you how we can create our Patreon page and after that put our data there. Okay, as we know the Patreon is a site that we can put our materials, our videos, our things, whatever we have there, and the people of the over the world can join or can see our products, our materials, our products, our videos, whatever we have, but they should give you a monthly amount that you are specifying the amount. Okay, so let me make a Patreon page, and after that I'll show you what I mean. Here I'm just came to the Patreon page, and after that I can say just create a Patreon on Patreon. After that, what we have here, we can sign up with Facebook, with Google, with Facebook, or we can with Gmail. Okay, so I will put my email here. You should write your email here. Okay, after that copy it. Sorry, this is the name here, the email, and after that confirm the email here, the name, let's say only engineer Pshtewan. Okay, so this is the name, and this is the email, and this is the confirm email. After that you have to put a password here. Okay, so we will put a password. Put capital letters, small letters, numbers, and hearts, whatever you want. Okay, so as to be in the password to be strong. Okay, after that just click sign up. You can save it. For now, as you see here, what's the describe of your content? Well, you have videos, you have business, you have music, we have game and software, and we say others, and after that continue. As you see, do your contain over 18 years themes such as real illustration in nudity? Here we don't have this. Okay, no, my work does not contain real this, so we have like a business, so we say no. Just click continue and pick up your currency. You want to with dollars, with euros, or with British pound, so we say in dollars. Just click continue. After that, what we can do, we can connect our Facebook to it, our Instagram, our Twitch, our Twitter, our YouTube if you want. After that you can say continue, and now as you see here, build your page Patreon and start customizing. Okay, we start customizing. As you see, name of Patreon is this, the name, as I said, this is the name, engineer Pshtewan. What you are creating, let's say general information or whatever you want. General information. After that, which sounds more correct? Engineer Pshtewan is creating generating general information, or engineer Pshtewan are. So if we am a single, so I will just put is. If we are a corporation, we after that we can say are and save changes. Okay. We have to, as you see, we have make these things. After that, as you see here, we have to make profile photo, cover, custom URL. We have to know, or you have to put about yourself. We see one by one. About profile cover, where we can say as you see here, it should be 256 pixels, the picture. Okay. So what can I go? I don't no, I have this such image or not, but I'll see if I have. So anyhow, let's say this one. Let's try this one, and after that, as you see now, because it's larger, it may become like this. But if it's 5, 6 pixels, it will fit with here. After that, required cover for this one, it should be 1600 by 400 pixels. Again, I am just clicking here. Let me say this one. Let me click this one, and after that, create your pattern. And the pattern will be engineer. As you see, URL is already taken, so I have to change this one. Engineer Pshtewan, let's say. Now I can use this one because this is not taken. Okay. About your pattern, what you are creating, if you have intro with sorry, this one about your creating, for example, civil engineer. I want to, as you see, at least it should be 100 characters. Okay, 100 characters are required. I'm a civil engineer. I want to share my knowledge. Knowledge with you all. Here, with, or we can say with me, you will learn a lot of things. And become a smart person, just like what you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. As you see here, if you have intro, for example, if you have a YouTube channel and there you have an intro there, you can just put the video URL and it will shows you here. Okay. Create account detail, legal first name. You have to put the number. Let's say last name. As you see, this is required. This is required. Country of residence. I'm in Iraq, so as you see, just like in Iraq. We are what we did, as you see here, we have to verify our email. So for that we go to our email. We open our email address. Okay, this email I just create for this purpose. Okay, so what I'm doing, just go to, you can just go to Gmail for this. Okay, the Gmail, and we see there's an email came to us, or they sent an email for us. So you see, as is here, the Patreon. So we have to confirm our email. Just click here and click confirm email. And now this one also is created. Create about section. Add now. I think I didn't save the changes. Anyhow, no problem. So we have two things: about and finish the account detail. So now what I'm doing, I'm just writing the thing that I wrote before. Okay, when I finish this one, I can just save changes. So it takes changes, and again because I didn't save this one, and I confirmed the email after that. That's why. Rack, and we say save changes. Okay, as you see now, we finished everything. Okay, so after that, I'll go to tiers. I'll have to add some tiers that I want. As you see, the Patreon pays $5 per month, $10 per month, $15 per month, and what we can do, we can just customizing. Okay, if we want, we can customize. Go to customize. And as you see here, the official Patreon, all access Patreon, VIP Patreon. If you want, for example, we have a content, for example, advanced courses, or we have things like that. Let's say what I did in my Patreon page. One was just for supporting. For supporting, you can put $1 per month. And after that, project files, if you have some files that you have to you want to upload, and after that the fans want to download the files, you can do it. You can have another one for advanced courses, things like this. As you see, we can just go to edit tier. This is $5. I can say $1, and this is we can say the lower thing is 3. So this is the official. I want to supporting. I want to name it supporting. Okay, and as you see here, includes Patreon only posts and message. If you what's include this, you can select or tell the guys that want to join here what they can do. So I'll say thank you here. Thanks for supporting me. Okay, so as I said, this thank you for supporting me. So here just supporting. I say accept. Okay. Of course, I can save this to bring an image for that. So I say save this to, and after that, this one, let's say project files, project files, $10 or $5 maybe, whatever you want. We can leave this one, add everything. For example, download, let's say downloading all project files. After that, save here. This is VIP Patreon. We can leave it as it is. Okay, so this what we can do, we can just say launch. We go to our Patreon. After that, we finished our as you hear the link of our Patreon page. So there we can just click copy link. Okay, and here we have 0 Patreons and $0 per month, and we don't have any post. And when we put some posts, we want to post something. Okay, make your first post. The first post type is what? Text, image, video, link, audio, live stream on polls. So I say image. So I can put image with my content. Okay, here the post title. Let's say first let me bring an image for this. Okay, just click here to bring an image. Let's say from this one. This is my for my Patreon page, the first page. As you see here, I have an image, and add image. Add, we can see the total here from the title. Add Okay, so I can also put here an image, and we can write something here. For example, what we want at any section for purlins here, or let's say with this lesson, well, if it's a video file or it's only project file, let's say this is um, the tutorial project file. Okay, we see this is the tutorial project file. After that, we see we go to attachment. We have to bring the project file. I don't know when I saved, but anyhow, we can say save this one, no problem. It's just any project file you have. After that, tags. What's the tags? Tags is like something that when somebody search for this one, he can found your post with that one. Let's say purlin semicolon purlin truss. We put some tags there. Okay. After that, here for the who can see this post, if it's public, everybody can see this. If it's Patreons only, only the person that join your Patreon page. If selected here, because this is the only project file, so I'll uncheck this one and uncheck this one. Only project file. The project file is I did mistake from the writing. Anyhow, no problem. This is the project file. I can just say this one, and after that, I can just say publish now. So now, what I'm doing now, I have this one, and if I go log out here, okay, as you see, I have from this page, I have a post. Nobody can see it. I can see it only when I join for $10 per month. When I pay $10 for a month. Okay. So after that I can I can join and I can download it. As you see, it's locked. It's locked. Yeah. It gives me check out, so I have to check out my I have to pay after that I can see this post. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys.